Once again, gutter rat sneeze and your gutter rat minions. I thought you have said enough dumb stuff to last a lifetime, but honestly, bro, you just keep on keeping on. Keep getting deeper with it. Bro, what the heck are you talking about? You smart for wasting your money, spending all your money in waste. Now you broke. Talking about you did the best thing by spending all your money. Saying you had $60,000, you spent it all, and that's a good thing. That's a good thing. So being broke, living in homeless shelters, and now a hotel room, as you say, is smart now. That's smart. You're a genius now. You're trying your hardest, bro, to minimize your stupidity and why you broke as a joke and why you don't have nothing to show for it. And you have nothing. You have nothing. And you know what? I never heard of a hotel. I never heard of a hotel or been in a hotel where I said, hey, I even got a TV in here. See, Terry, that's telling me, I could be wrong. That's telling me, though, you're not in no goddamn hotel. You are in a shelter, a homeless shelter, because, see, like I said, I told you I do my homework. See, homeless shelters ain't all just bunks and in a big gym-like setting, everybody sleeping in one big gym area. No, there's some homeless shelters that have rooms that look like hotel rooms. And you have to bunk with them. You might have to bunk with somebody, or you might get lucky and not have to and just have a single room. And I think, this is my opinion, I think you are in a shelter room, because ain't no way I'm paying, as you say, $800 a month for a room, not rent, for a hotel stay. If you're paying $200 for that, I see why you are dumb as a bag of bricks. And secondly, I just don't believe you're in a hotel, because ain't no way I'm going to pay that much money, as you say, just said it yourself, $800 a month for a dinosaur TV, 27-inch at that probably. And then on top of it, you being happy just to have a TV? So, you're happy to have a TV. You're paying $800 a month, you say, and you think that's great? You think that's the perfect place to be at? You are just happy to have a TV. Who says they pay $200 a week and have all this money, used to having all this money, and you got dang so happy it ain't even funny. You are so happy that you had a TV in the room with you, and you think that's the greatest room, greatest place on earth? Wow. See, that tells me you're not you're not used to having money. Nah. Yeah, you ain't used to having money at all. And second, who pays $5,000 for rent? For rent and not own it. Well, wait a minute. This is your gutter rat lies. You probably didn't do that or that. You ain't paying no $5,000 a month for a rented apartment. But once again, this is you saying this. Nobody else saying this. So I don't even believe that. I just never seen a person that lies so much. That lies so much just to get people to be jealous of you. Dang it. You have unbelievably put yourself in such a stupid hole of all your lies, all your wannabe thug moments. Talking about you living great. Talking about you don't read nobody's you don't read anybody what they write about you. Yes, you do. Because you know what? You comment on everything. You comment on everything because I think you know, and we all know that you're just a pathological liar, bro. A straight up 110% liar. You don't know how to tell the truth if somebody paid you to. You can't fight. You a cop caller. You are nothing but a cop caller. You know, you say it all the time about F YouTube. They probably go monetize me in any day now. If they don't, they stupid, they dumb. I don't care about YouTube. I don't care YouTube, but they sure they should do it for me because I'm making so much money for them. So they be stupid enough to monetize me. They just stupid. They just stupid because I'm the best thing on YouTube. I don't need YouTube, but your sorry butt is always on it. You're always talking about it. I don't know what you talk about more, Ashley or YouTube. And what's funny is those are the two things that you talk about the most to people. You talk about Ashley and YouTube, and you literally say the same thing about both of them. Ashley, since she don't want nothing to do with you, you bash her. You to say about her teeth, she on drugs, she on this, she on that. But your sorry, worthless butt want to be with her. Your sorry, worthless butt want to marry her. But she has bad teeth. She a drug addict. She let's see, what else you said about her? Drug addict, bad teeth. You was gonna beat up her sister or mama or auntie, whoever it was, but you still want to be with her. Oh, I love you, Ashley. I love you, Ashley. And I'm gonna keep you on another thing. Why do you think you worth someone having to beg to get back with you? I think you delusional, bro. She's not wanting to get back with you. She never will get back with you. She don't want to get back with you. You gutter rat. God, do you even listen to anything people say to you? She say, and I quote, she don't want to be with you no more, gutter rat. No, I think she probably was with you in the first place. You're a stalker, bro. You're a stalker. You a wannabe. Pretty soon you probably peeping through people's windows and trying to climb in their windows and steal their panties or something. You a panty sniffer. That's what you probably do. Disgusting butt. And would you just swallow your drink too? You know what I mean? You take 10 minutes to swallow. God, that was disgusting. God. Just sitting there, just taking 5 minutes to swallow a drink. God. Looks so nasty, bro. Cut it out, man. Cover your face when you swallowing. How about that? Dang. Jesus Christ. It's like watching a freaking this is like watching a freaking animal pig trying to eat. God, it's disgusting, man. Ugh. You dig up your nose, then you wipe your hand on your face. You don't wash your hand, you're eating. Not to mention that disgusting snot blocker you got. God, talking about you're a man of her dreams. Yeah, man of your dreams, all right. She sure run into her man of her dreams, though, ain't she? Idiot. Disgusting. I can't believe she's with you. Ugh. Man, you are the worst case I have had to deal with. And just total nastiness. Total nastiness you are. You are one of the nastiest human beings, bro. You are by far the nastiest human being I have ever dealt with. I've never seen a grown man dig up his nose so much. I've never seen a grown man cry like a baby. Cry like a baby. But act like you're the baddest thing walking. But forget about when you got your tail whooped. See, Tyru, I know about everything about you, bro. I know about everything about you. You are a pussy of all pussies. You can't fight. You won't fight. But you know what you do? And Tyru, you know I'm right. You know what you do? You would talk trash and say, it ain't reality. Y'all not reality. Y'all not reality. See, if y'all fighting, you beat me up, that's not reality. You're a sucker, man. You're a sucker if you beat me up. See, I'm a man. I'm a man. See, I'm a man. That's why I'm a man, because, you know, I ain't hit you back. I ain't pummel you, because I'm a man. See, Terry, that's what losers say. That's what losers that can't fight say. They say, I'm a man, I can't, you know, I'm a grown man, you know, that's why I ain't hit him or her. Oh, but Tyree, you talk tough against a woman though. Remember Ashley, her sister and mama, you said you wanted to beat up because of what again? She don't want to get with you. That's a tough guy right there, I tell you what, bro. That's a tough guy right there, if I ever seen one. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. That is as tough as they come. You gutter rat. That's what gutter rats do. They pick with people that they think they can manhandle or beat up. See, that's what you are. a gutter rat. Gutter rats have no heart, have no soul, have no meaning to life other than being a gutter rat that eats scraps, that smell like and look like they got meth mouth. That's the only thing you are. That's the only thing you ever will be is a gutter rat. So, like I always say, bro, I know you like the back of my hand. And for your gutter rat minions, let me ask y'all idiots, losers, something. What y'all think he gonna do when, say, y'all stop giving him attention, stop donating money to him? What you think he gonna do? He's gonna talk bad about y'all like he always do. See, y'all gutter rats might not know about him, but Tyree is the biggest sissy on the planet. If he ain't getting something he want from y'all, he's gonna talk back. He gonna say y'all cowards, y'all sissies, y'all corny, y'all ain't in reality. See, if y'all gutter rats will understand, you know why he say reality this, reality that, y'all ain't in reality? It's because that's saying y'all ain't in his reality because y'all ain't giving him nothing. See, that's the reality he's talking about. He lies about everything that's come out of his mouth. He has no purpose in this world. He has no beginning or end to his life. Because rats will adapt to anything they think is going to say they worthless hide. That's what gutter rats do. That's what gutter rats know how to do, is adapt to situations that make sure he or she doesn't get hurt because they're too scared to be a man or a woman. See, that's what y'all gutter rats followers y'all knew about it or y'all didn't want to know about it. So, once again, gutter rat, you see, Tyree gutter rat is going to screw y'all the moment y'all don't give him something. Do y'all understand that? Obviously y'all don't know that, because if y'all did, you wouldn't be following the gutter rat. Y'all wouldn't be gutter rat yourself. It is unbelievable how stupid you have to be to follow a person like him. Do y'all understand that? Do you get that? Y'all are following a complete, utter loser. And y'all love it too. Y'all are perfectly content with following that gutter rat. It blows my mind. It blows my mind how he kept y'all idiot gutter rats to follow him, his minions. He talked to y'all like dirt. Like dirt. Excuse me. I hear him say, y'all corny. Y'all ain't on here talking. Y'all corny. What, y'all broke out here? I got my money app up for y'all for y'all could donate money to me. Y'all corny, man. Y'all corny. And I hear y'all begging him. Tyree, are you okay? Are you okay? Gutter rat, are you okay? Y'all, you talking about the worst of the worst type of leader for y'all? For y'all gutter rats? He is the biggest pussy on this planet. Him and Charlie. And I would say that him and Charlie is battling for who the biggest pussy is. But I'll tell you what, man, y'all right behind those two pussy boys. Wow. I have never seen in my life a bunch of gutter rats, pussies in my life. Y'all are idiots. straight gutter rat idiots. Sorry about that. So I'm going to end it with that. King of the gutter rats. I am going to break you, bro. I meant what I say. I mean what I say. I'm going to break you, bro. I'm going to break you. Then I'm going to break whoever else wanted. And your minions. Because you know what? I want to see how quick, king of the gutter rats, I want to see how quick you bail on your little flunkies. Because that's your best thing you do is run and hide and talk trash behind closed doors, you computer thug. And what loser spend money on stupid stuff, dumb stuff, and call it you doing great. You doing great. You think living hotel room to hotel room, homeless shelter to homeless shelter is living great? Living great? You think putting up posters in a shelter room? Because I ain't believing that's a hotel. No, that's not a hotel. No freaking way. Putting posters up in a homeless shelter room and saying this is pretty nice place. And I'm gonna say this again. Remember you say, oh, this is like the place I stayed in Vegas. I paid $5,000 a month for. You trying to say a room like that is in Vegas that costs $5,000 a month? Stop lying. Stop. You know, I had family that stayed out in Vegas before. And I'm going to tell you this. Ain't no goddamn room in Vegas that's $5,000 a month looking like that. No. So just stop with the lying, bro. Stop. You know, just stop. It ain't cute. They're not cute. It's like you're just turning into one big lie after the next. You are just a worthless human that's gonna get somebody hurt out here because you go think it's cool to do this way or do that way, and then when it's time to pay the piper, you go try to run and hide like you always do. So once again, bro, you need to stop lying so much. Maybe one day you can step up and be a man one day. Man, I just really think, bro, you are allergic to being a man, a good person, a honest person. You are completely allergic to it. You are so petrified of being a man, it ain't even funny. I have never witnessed somebody like you in all my dealings with cases like you. Never. You are the first and will probably be the only gutter rat. So, once again, bro, stop lying. Well, you know what? Keep lying. Because when I finally get you, then you can start telling the truth. So, once again, gutter rat, I am coming for you. I will be there. And it's going to be glorified. Says, I am going to crush you. I'm gonna beat you to death. I'm gonna beat you till you hope I say, hope I don't stop. Hope when you tell me to stop, I stop. But, so until then, gutter rat and gutter rat minions, keep being losers. Keep entertaining people.